So relegation battle heats up and it boils up. Tyreek Magee has gone missing. So the big question is, where is Tyreek? Big question being asked. Footballing community in the Jamaica Premier League. That is what we're going to try and answer. Anyways, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much again for being here. I really appreciate it. Massive respect. All right, so at the start of the game, let me just show you the fixtures. Well, the squad. This is the squad for Vere Phoenix versus Mount Pleasant today. You can see Kelmin Gold, Daniel Mitchell, Rabina Garden, Matthew Singh, Charles Layton, Damian Thomas, Nicolene Wall, Michael Fabs, Marcus Afilo, and Sherman Phillips. All right, so the big question is, that's the first question. First two big acknowledgement are three. Denzel McKenzie, no Denzel McKenzie, no Kyle Butler, no Tyreek Magee. So go so boom now, look on the bench. We see Denzel McKenzie, fine. No Tyreek Magee on the bench. That's the question. No Kyle Butler also on the bench. But Kyle Butler was at game. So where is Tyreek Magee? He's the missing piece. Now, when you also look at the team sheet, you see number 19, Peralta, in the number 19. Now, that number 19 is what belongs to Tyreek Magee. Let's say, for example, he changed the number. Let's just assume at this moment that he changed the number. Let's just assume. Now, the interesting part here, where this is concerned, is the post-match reaction from the Vere Phoenix boss, Greg Butler. Wanted to second. All right, so
we're without some of our major players
first thing first, we are without some of our major players
today. Kyle Butler.
Kyle Butler, first person acknowledgement, mentioned that vital player for the team.
Denzel McKenzie.
2, another vital player for the team.
Kevon Atkinson was out, but the
3, another vital player for the team.
youngsters came up and played well.
Realize Tyreek Magee was not mentioned. The full post-match press conference is on Knockins. Go and check it out. Full. No mention of Tyreek Magee. But listen to the question that the journalist asks here.
Yeah, coach, you mentioned a few players were out. Didn't also see Tyreek Magee.
Interesting. So the journalists pick up on that right away. Obviously, that's quite easy to see.
Reason as to why he wasn't a part of today's team?
No comment.
No comment. There is Tyreek Magee. Match day squad. Someone else, well, someone different is wearing his number. Boss said himself, no comment. The absence of Tyreek Magee. Don't finish there. Listen to this. Listen more.
The players that played this game are all players that are committed to the team. And
Bring that back.
this game are all players that are committed to the team and love each other. Where without
So you can ask the question, is there a commitment issue? No boiling at Vere Phoenix. Question still remains, where is Tyreek Magee? Will we see Tyreek Magee for next game day? There's a big game coming up versus Cavalier FC. Question is, will we see Tyreek Magee for the Cavalier game? And also, is this an indication that things aren't going too well in camp at the Vere Phoenix United camp? Is this an indication that things aren't going too well in camp? Now, with the post-match reaction and the absence of Tyreek Magee, many would say maybe the in gone on trials. One, and the head coach decide that, you know what, or should I say the technical director decided that he won't comment on that. So that's the reason why I said no comment in the post-match interview. Maybe Tyreek Magee gone back to Europe. Maybe that's the case. Maybe. But one thing for sure leaves pretty much a lot of speculation out there. And maybe it's just speculation. Maybe it's just speculation. The big question is, another question would be, why did someone else would have gotten his jersey number? Strange. That is quite strange. Maybe it's just an error. Maybe it's just an error. Anyways, tell me what you think in the comment section. Smash the like button, the subscribe button. Big question again is, where is Tyreek Magee? And will we see Tyreek Magee for the game on Sunday where Vere Phoenix face Cavalier FC? That should be an interesting one. That in itself should be an interesting game. Hit the like button, people. Hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV. We are out. God bless. Boom. I mean, outside.